Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a really small grocery haul. We are working on my closet. You guys are going to see that video. My husband challenged me to lose 54 pounds in order for me to get my closet system. So it's finally being installed. So I wasn't able to do a full grocery shopping this week. I just went and picked up a few things for the week, and then probably midweek I'll probably go back, even though we spent $140. I might just go back and get the rest of the meat for the next week and some other stuff that I think that we forgot. But this is just a mini grocery haul for 1 week, hopefully a week and a half. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, guys, so this is all I got from Walmart, and it was really quick because we were working on the closet, and I only have this weekend and next weekend to finish up the closet because Rob is just like don't want to be pushing it longer than that. So we already have all the frames and everything in the master closet. Now we need to fix an accident, and we had to go to Home Depot. I'm rambling. Let's get into it. So Walmart had these on sale, $6.07. I love using these for curry chicken, any kind of stew chicken. So like fricassee chicken, curry chicken, crock pot. This is really good, and usually it's like $8, so it was like $2 off, so not bad for that. So I got a bunch of them because I love these, because I usually get the other one with the thighs, the bone and skin, and I have to clean it. So I got a ton of these, which I don't see. Oh, here goes the other one. So I got 3 of these, and I got a chicken breast because this is so easy to cook, and this is like 2 meals because I sliced them in half, and I can do a lot of things with chicken breast. So that's our go-to is chicken. We're gonna turn into chickens one of these days. And I got some ground beef because last week I was supposed to make chili, and I don't remember making chili, and for some reason I can't find my ground beefs. So I picked up 1 thing of ground beef, and I think this was like close to $7. I don't like buying ground beef from Walmart because it's so expensive. I prefer ALDI, but that's neither here nor there. And then I got this little thing because I feel like we've been eating a lot of chicken lately and no beef, which I don't like a ton of red meat. So this is mainly going to be a crock pot. So we paid $12.80 for that, and that's all the meat for the week. So as you know, I cook 4 days out of the week, and Rob cook 2 days, and Fridays are yo-yo. So that explains that. And then, you know, gum. I always like to have gum. I got some tomato, hot dog. I got 2 things of hot dog. Rob and I are always fighting over these. It's the fish steak in Louisiana hot sauce. Like, he buys 3 for himself, and if he doesn't use it during the week for his lunches, I will usually eat them, and then he gets mad the following week when he's looking for them and can't find them. He's like, "Did you eat my fish steak in Louisiana hot sauce?" Just like that. I'm like, "Yeah," and then he gets mad. So I got 2 for myself just because I don't want to be arguing with him over fish steaks. You know, sardine. And then he got some tuna, because these are his go-to for. Rob has lost a ton of weight, and I'm so proud of him. So he got tuna for his lunches, because he prepares his lunches for work. And then he got a chunk chicken breast. I don't eat chicken breast in a can. I don't know about anybody else, but I do not mess with no chicken breast in no can. I got 1 little lonely avocado. Oh, this is not avocado. 1 lonely, what's this? I got 1 lonely cucumber. The guy on the register didn't know what it was. A cucumber? He didn't know what a cucumber was? Oh my gosh. Sad. Sweet Vidalia onion dressing. This is like, you guys know this is my go-to for my salad, which I only eat 1 thing and 1 thing only. I do not switch It's just, it's easy for me to lose weight that way. I cannot mess up. Got some American singles. Got milk. Milk is now back down to $1.99. I don't know what happened last 2 weeks.
333?
No, it was $1.99.
Really?
It's $1.99. It's back down.
The tax still is.
I can show you the receipt. I don't even know where it is, but it's back down to $1.99.
That's good.
Well, at Aldi it is $1.99. And then we got this big bag of berry colossal crunch for the children for their breakfast. I got some juice because I find that it's easy for Destiny to make lunches when everything is already portioned out and she knows what to grab. Because I don't make lunches anymore because, you know, it's easy the way I do it, and I don't record lunches anymore, and I'm sorry, guys. We have some sour cream. Excuse me. I have original fruit smiles. This I got to go with Maddie when she goes to our neighbor. I want her to at least have something at her house, and I was supposed to get her something else, but I forgot. But this is snack to go with Maddie for the week when she stays at my neighbor's house when she gets picked up. So it got French vanilla international delight, this big thing. You know, Rob went through this big thing of creamer that we got 2 weeks ago because he's been taking it to work with him, like big cups of, you know, creamer with him. So we had to get another one. Hopefully this lasts. Cabbage. Love cabbage. Destiny is a new fan of cabbage because our sweet neighbor made her cabbage once, and she's like obsessed with the way she made her cabbage. So she's obsessed with cabbage now and the way she makes it, which is ironic because, which is crazy because I make cabbage really healthy now when I boil it and I don't, you know, saute it. But in Jamaica, they cook it down and put butter and all that in there. And that's the way Destiny likes it. So I made it for her. And she was like, oh, this is so good. So, you know, she likes the unhealthy way of cabbage, if that makes any sense. So we have natural brown long grain rice. I don't think we're out, but I just picked one up just to be on the safe side. I got iceberg lettuce. I think I got 2. We eat a ton of salad now, including the children, which is crazy because I don't know, when I first saying that I wanted all the kids, I wanted all the kids to eat the same way, and it's crazy now that this is what they ask for over rice. They're like, we want salad, and they love when I mix this with, so I mix this guy with this guy, and I put tomato, cucumber, and mix it up together, and they love it, love it. They're always asking for seconds. So I'll use like 1 bag will feed all of us. So I have 2 because this is like lunch for me. I'll eat a little bit of lunch and then use it for dinner the next day. And then we had salad over here, like regular salad, but they preferred this. I got a thing of cheese because I feel like we're out of cheese. We go through a ton of cheese because we put it in our salads and our eggs and stuff like that. I got 2 things of bread. I didn't see any brown bread this week, so I just got the white bread. I got crackers for the private school kids for their lunches. What else is over here? And then we have cantina style tortilla chips. Rob is going to make him some sausage. This is what he likes. And then over here we have Jaxson likes the butterscotch, and he also likes the tapioca. And then I got a vanilla pudding for him. Got oatmeal for the children in the morning for their breakfast. We have Maddie loves these And I just get the Austin variety pack. So I just picked up 2 because she went through these last week. 2 weeks really fast. There was none left for last week. So she went through it the first week. Then I got chewy variety pack. Destiny likes these for their lunches. And Pop-Tart, Jackson likes these. Not the healthiest, not the greatest, but he likes them. And then at first we were using the Walmart popcorn, and we realized that the Walmart popcorn tastes kind of stale, even though they're fresh in the pack. So Rob wanted to try a name brand to see if that works. And I love sweet popcorn. Like, if I pop popcorn, I have to put confectionate sugar over it for me to eat it. That's the only way I can eat popcorn, is if it's sweet. So he just picked up this one, sweet and salty, and I'm getting ready to go get some. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.